To fix a Chromebook camera that's not working, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue. The problem may be due to an outdated Chrome OS, hardware problems, or persistent software issues. To resolve these problems, start by updating Chrome OS. Navigate to the Settings section. Select the About Chrome OS option, and then choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, download and install it, and then restart the Chromebook. If updating the operating system doesn't work, try resetting the hardware by switching off the Chromebook, holding the power and refresh keys simultaneously for a few seconds, and then releasing the refresh key when the device starts up. If this also fails to resolve the issue, it may be necessary to power wash the Chromebook. Persistent software problems can be addressed by opening the Settings app, tapping the Advanced option, selecting Reset Settings, and then clicking the Reset button and restarting the device. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a non-functioning Chromebook camera and get it working again.